Okay, dear student, let's see what is there in this question. A toy car collides with an identical toy car at rest. The cars stick together. It means this is an inelastic collision. The surface is frictionless. Three statements about these collisions are: the speed of one car decreases and the speed of the other car increases. Well, of course, there are two cars. One car is moving with some velocity. The other is at rest. So when they stick together, they start moving constantly with a constant speed. So of course, for one car the speed will reduce, and for the other car the speed, it was already zero, so it will increase. So point number one is absolutely correct. Total momentum is conserved, absolutely correct. Whatever be the collision, you don't even need to think about it, whether they are sticking together, whether they're not sticking together. Whatever is happening, if the cars are sticking together, the momentum is always conserved. If they're not sticking together, even then the momentum is always conserved. So momentum is always conserved, no thinking involved. Kinetic energy is conserved, never. Kinetic energy is not conserved here. This is a perfectly inelastic collision. In fact, after the collision, when two bodies stick together and they start moving together, the loss of kinetic energy is maximum. So, kinetic energy is conserved? No, but the loss of kinetic energy, it becomes maximum in this part, in that particular case. Okay, so which statements are true? One and two. So A will be the correct answer. Point number one that you have to note here is that the momentum is always conserved in whatever type of collision you're talking about. So there is no thinking involved. If the collision has happened, momentum is conserved. Kinetic energy is conserved only and only in elastic collision. Okay, students, thanks for watching. All the best.